Do you give back? Do you know what I mean by that? Do you give back to the universe that you take from? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Be sure to check out all the sponsors that help me to be sure that I keep doing this. People like Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world. Promo Only, the greatest music pool company in the world. DJ Event Planner, a great CRM for your DJ company, whether it's a small one or a large business. DJ NTV, great place to go to learn more about what you do and what other DJs do and how to keep your business going. And of course, my workshop, the Entertainment Experience. If you want to know more about my workshop, which I have one coming up here in December, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. It is an online workshop. You don't got to travel for it. Anyway, giving back is an interesting concept. And I think a lot of people say that they do because they go to church, right? Or they do a free gig every once in a while. And yeah, those are ways to give back. But when you really take on the idea that you want to give back to the universe that gives to you, because if the universe wasn't the way it was, and if you weren't lucky and good marketing and great customers, and if the world wasn't the way it was, you wouldn't have a business, right? You wouldn't have the life that you have, the house that you have, the family you have. And you've been taking, and there's nothing wrong with that. But there's something to be said for seeing that universe and finding a way to give back to it, okay? It will feed you in a way that you don't really expect. It will help to put meaning into who you are and what you do and why you do things. When was the last time that you reached out to your community in some way, whether it be your religious community or the school community or just the community at large, and found out how you can use what you know to give back to them? And it doesn't necessarily have to be your DJ services, right? It could be giving back to the families in your neighborhood, because everybody's having problems raking their lawn, and you've got some extra time because, you know, your business isn't that hard to run, and I'm working mostly on the weekends, so why wouldn't I go down to the neighbor lady who needs her lawn taken care of and just do it, okay? Or the local city council needs someone to maybe run for a city council spot, or maybe there are committees at your city council that you can get a part of. Maybe there's something happening in your town that you believe in and a group of people that need your help. Giving back helps to define who you are, not only to the people who watch this, because they will watch you and they will see you and they will judge you on who you are and how you give back, but it also feeds the thing inside of you that doesn't need to get paid. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we get paid so that we can go out and do in the community and in our lives and in our families what we want to do. And we get really wrapped up in, we got to make money. We get really wrapped up in, we have a daily grind every single day. And when I'm not doing that, what am I doing? I'm spending time with my family, or worse yet, I'm just hanging around the house doing a lot of nothing. And not that, once again, I said that worse yet, like it's a bad thing. It isn't. But what's more powerful, what's more meaningful, what really can help to shape the soul of who you are is to give back in an unconditional way around your life. And you could start with your family, but why not look into the DJ community? What have you done in the DJ community to help the DJ community? Have you reached out to a guy who's not doing so well and helped him, found a way to help him make his business better? Giving away a gig to somebody who needs it. Have you created an event for the community that will help to bring attention to something that's not you? Have you? Have you taken the time? I'm dancing around a few things here, but I'd love to know how you give back. And I would really love to hear how you give back that has zero to do with the fact that you're a DJ. That'd be very interesting to me. Wouldn't it be interesting to you? Tell me what you think. Put it in the comments below. Reach out to me if you want to. Let me know how maybe I can help to give back to you. Because I try to do that on a regular basis. And not a lot of people know it. One of the reasons I even have this little show. Thanks for watching. This is Bill, Creative License, and I'll see you next week.